One.
Hello everybody, my name is Jack and the name of my video is Jack Prime. Thank you for watching my video, and we're gonna start with my video right now. This is the Lego Mystery Machine box. This box was the box from Christmas. If you wanna see the real one, it's right now the real one. No, wait. And then this is the features. See? Can you see these features? And then later, if you wanna see the real part, this is the real part. This is Fred driving the car. And then later, this is the side, this is the back, and then this is the other side. This is the bottom, this is the bottom, and this set comes with, a newspaper. This newspaper is about a zombie. This newspaper is about a zombie, like, it's like that. And then later, that's it for the part of outside. Now let's start with inside. Inside, we have Shaggy and Scooby. They are eating the burger. This is the security system, and this is written, alert, danger. And then later, this is the camera and the flashlight. This is where they are. And then later, there is the fire to bake the burger. That's it for inside. Oh, and inside has these drawings. Can you see these drawings? Can you see it? And the other one, can you see? And then that's it. And then we're gonna show you the front part of the Mystery Machine again. And then they have this, like this ball and a radio. That's it with the Mystery Machine. Now, the zombie. This is the zombie. Can you see the zombie? Actually, the zombies don't do like that. And then later, this is the tree. But this tree is not real. It is a robot tree. A robot tree. And there is this jewel that activates the tree, and then later you can take the zombie out, and then later this is the controls, and then it's detecting the Mystery Machine, and then that's it with the tree. Now is the play part. Let me do like this.
Okay.
And go. Fred, can we have some burgers? No, we're gonna solve a mystery. No. But Fred, are we gonna go for a ride or a trip? No, Shaggy. Look, there's a tree. Why does it have great parts? Detect Mystery Machine. Detect Mystery Machine. The tree is attacking us! But the zombie's going. He's going. And he's at the top. And guys, we forgot about this. The zombie has a mask. Shaggy, get out! So you can grab the crystal. The crystal? What? Ow, that hurts. Okay, Fred. Zoinks. Bye-bye, Scoop. Bow. Zoinks. Bow. I got it, Fred. Is this a good idea? Yes. Now love him. Run, Shaggy, run! This tree's gonna detect you. Oh no, Scooby, the tree got Shaggy. Now it's your turn to save him. Rub Ruby snack. Roll go! Bam! Ruby-doo! Huh? It's only a robot. Huh? I know the thing. A tic-tac good. Here's the jewel, but don't steal it. No! Tree, no! Put on jail. Now the monsters really is George Washington? It wasn't about your meddling kids and your pesky dog. Bye-bye. I see you. Come on, Scooby-Doo. I see you. So, yeah, kids and adults, if you like this video, please share and subscribe and give a thumbs up. Bye. See you at the next video. Thank you.